Director of Communication and Public Affairs at Parliament, Obore, along with 6 other senior parliamentary officials, returned to the anti-corruption court in Nakasero today amid heightened security and intense public scrutiny. The officials, who were remanded to their prison last week, face grave charges connected to the alleged mismanagement, embezzlement, and laundering of over shillings 27 billion in public funds. The group arrived at the Nakasero-based court early this morning aboard the Uganda prison services bus, heavily guarded by wardens. Looking visibly tired but composed, Obore and his co-accused were led straight into the court-holding cells ahead of the day's scheduled proceedings. A large crowd comprising relatives, legal representatives, and journalists had already gathered at the court premises by 8 a.m., eager to follow the high-profile case that has gripped the nation. Their appearance follows their initial arraignment on July 2, 2026, before Grade 1 Magistrate Esther Asimwe. The prosecution led by Inspectorate Government IGG alleges that between 2023 and 2026, the 7 senior officials systemically diverted billions of shillings meant for parliamentary corporate social responsibility, CSR initiatives, outreach programs, and public donations. According to state attorneys, the budgeted community outreach programs were never executed. The funds were instead channeled into personal accounts. Obore specifically faces intense scrutiny over his alleged role in the misappropriation of a portion of these funds. In addition to embezzlement and causing financial loss to the government, the IGG has slapped severe money laundering charges against the officials. The state contends that the accused willfully processed, transferred, and concealed billions of shillings while fully aware that the money constituted the proceeds of crime. Today's session is highly critical as the defense team, led by a prominent panel of private attorneys, is expected to make a strong push for bail. Legal experts indicate that securing bail will be an uphill task given the severity of the money laundering charges, which often require stringent terms and substantial sureties. The prosecution is expected to object to the bail application, arguing that the accused hold influential positions within the legislature and could potentially interfere with ongoing investigations or compromise vital parliamentary financial records if released. The unfolding scandal has sent shockwaves through the corridors of the legislative arm of government, marking one of the most significant crackdowns on institutional corruption in recent years. Civil society organizations and members of the public have widely commended the IGG's decisive action, noting that holding high-ranking administrative heads accountable is a vital step toward restoring faith in public institutions. As court clerks prepare their room and the presiding magistrate takes the bench, the atmosphere remains tense. The defense is currently summarizing its arguments for temporary release, while the state stands firm on its push to keep the officials remanded. More updates will follow as the court delivers its ruling on the bail application later today. Oh, wow. We've just got this, and this changes everything in this story. It's a breaking news. Just right now, Obore and 6 others have further been remanded till July the 27th, 2026. So they're further being remanded. It's a breaking one, and their bail application has been rejected once again.